Yo, it's your boy the Android Doctor back again with another video. Okay, so got some good news, guys. The One UI 2.1 update is now available for the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus if you live here in the UK. So I have the unlocked version of the S9 Plus and I live here in the UK and I got the notification moments ago. So I'm going to go ahead and download the update and install it. So like I said, if you live here in the UK, it should be available for you. So I'm just going to go into the settings, software update, download and install. And it's just checking for the update. And here it is. So this update was available a few weeks ago. I think it was about 2 weeks ago. It was first available in Germany, but now it's rolled out to the UK. It's arrived in the UK. So if it's not arrived for you in your country, it will be coming soon. Just be patient. So yeah, it's a big update. As you can see here, it's over 1 gig. So let's just take a look and see what's new. Okay, so AR emoji has been updated with improvements like a manual editing feature and enhanced facial expression recognition. AR emoji has been updated to a new version. All previously saved AR emojis will be deleted when you next open up the AR emoji app. New camera features, various menus, modes and filters have been added such as AR zone, single take, pro video, my filters, selfie tone and improved night mode. The gallery's also been updated. Similar images are now grouped together for a more organized viewing experience. A feature has been added that allows you to merge multiple different groups of albums into one group or merge different groups and albums into one. An improved search feature has been added to find pictures based on information such as the time or place pictures were taken. The quick crop function has been added to enlarge and crop parts of high resolution images. Samsung keyboard's been updated as well. And quick share files can now be quickly and easily shared with nearby Samsung devices using quick share, music share. And I think this update also comes with the June security patch as well. So yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and download it. Okay, so once it's finished downloading and installed, I will be back. Okay guys, so I'm back. I've just done the update. And let me just show you all. One UI version 2.1. Okay, so let's just have a look at the new keyboard. Okay, so this is the new keyboard. As you can see, the layout is different. And we now have this translate option here. So you can translate your language. So if you're speaking to somebody from a different country who doesn't really speak English, you can translate the language so you can better understand what they're saying whilst you're sending your messages. And you can use Google to do the translation. Let's see what else is new. Okay, so there's now this new quick share option here. So you can use it to share large files. And also there's this new music share option as well. So let nearby friends play music on your Bluetooth speaker. And I believe this is new as well, call and text on other devices. And let's take a look at the camera. Okay, so single take is back. I remember this being here before, but this was removed with an update, but thank God it's back. And Pro video mode, this is back also. And this is new as well. Where is it? AR zone. So here you can have a lot of fun with the AR emojis, and it has the dedicated AR emoji camera. So that's integrated into the application itself. I won't really be using this a lot. This is mostly for kids, I would say. The kids will have a lot of fun with this. AR Doodle, AR Emoji Studio, Deco Pick, AR Emoji Stickers. So you have to download the stickers. Home Decor. And styling. So I'm guessing you can use this option here to style your AI emoji character once you have created it. And picture link, you can download that. So yeah guys, the One UI 2.1 update is now available for the Samsung Galaxy S9 and also the S9 Plus. If you've not got the update in your country yet, just be patient, it will be coming soon. So yeah, I just thought I'd do this quick video to let you all know that the update is now available here in the UK. So be sure to download it and install it. So yeah, thanks for watching this video. Share the video, give it a thumbs up. It's your boy the Android.time out. Doses.